How to fix Meta AI chat not showing on Messenger in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open your Messenger, and if your Meta AI chat not showing here, then go back to your home screen and open your App Store, and then search here Messenger. First of all, check your Messenger's update. Now click on Messenger. If you have any Messenger's update, then here you can see the update option, then update your Messenger. After update your Messenger, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general, and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down, and here you can see the option Messenger. Now click on it, and here you can offload your Messenger app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.